Today on Camel Garage. We're going to be putting in some new door speakers because I blew up the duals. So first thing on this driver's side door, this thing goes into there. You'll have to pop it out. If it's like never been popped out, which I doubt, you'll have to get a little plastic tool in there to release the little nugget there. And this pops straight up. This pops straight up. Unplug that connector. Oop. And we got that guy, and that guy. And then we got that one, and that one. And this whole door card should just pop right off. Okay, now that we got all these unscrewed, if you can, I found that just by wiggling them, sometimes they'll come out to play, but if not, no big deal. So you see how you just kind of pull, right? And then that's going to afford you a little bit of room. So next, we'll have to go in here. Okay, there's a little clip there. Clip here. This is a 2-for-1. There. That one. And then it's not really necessary, but for good measure, I'm going to, if I can find the little dingus end. Okay, it's on either side. And just drop the phone while you're at it too. That works. It'll just pop out. Don't be afraid of that. So now, oh, that's not good. Uh-oh. What did I do there? Okay, there we go. Now it's fixed. Another guy right there. Take that screw out. And then this whole thing should just pop. Got a couple little things there. Just like that. Now, flip her sideways and just feed it out. Take the screws out so we don't lose them. And then this door cart can just kind of go chill by itself. Count our screws. 2, 3. Put them right there. Okay, you gotta be very careful when you go to zip these out, because you don't want to slip and hit. Oh no. What happened? Oh man, my new old speakers. I'm still gonna be selling these on my eBay store for $1,200 a piece. There. Boop, done. See? Get the f out of here. Okay, I'm going to do a test to make sure that I have the right wires. I'll show you when I get it set up. Alright, so we want to turn the power on. We want to go to voltage DC. Yeah, right there. Looks like 200 millivolts. Okay, so we just made sure and we are correct with the wiring. But I just realized this has a tweeter, which I don't want anymore. So we're going to disconnect him. And see how that goes. It's kind of a pain in the neck. Okay, you squeeze there and you pull him out. Now hopefully it doesn't give me a check wiring thing because it threw it into a safe mode. Yeah. So I guess we will do the unboxing of these fellers. Or fellettes. Whatever you like. Just get out of there. Okay. Oh man, those are some fancy screens right there. Yeah. Okay. So meow.
Alright, meow, where were we?
I'm sorry, are you saying meow?
Am I saying meow?
So we're going to pop those other rivets out. I'll show you how in just a minute. So basically we just kind of find a hitting linear impact device thing and you just smash them in. They should go. Just be careful not to bend this metal out of shape because it's a pain when you try and stick the speaker on and it's like all curvy and stuff. Okay, next you want to get the finest. This would focus. You fuck. Okay. The finest self-tappers Harbor Freight has. Oh. I'll get it mounted up and I'll show you afterwards because I can't do this one-handed. Okay, well it's not pretty and I don't really care for how it's mounted. I had to bend this out because for whatever reason, these 5 1/4s way smaller than these 5 1/4s. I don't understand that. Oh, these are 6 1/2, so that's why. Shoot. DS652, let me check that. Yep, those are supposed to be 6 1/2s. Okay, when you're putting everything back together, make sure that this little plug comes up through this hole. If not, you're gonna have a really bad time.
Now, just a few safety things to keep in mind. First of all, look straight ahead when you ski. If you look down, you're gonna fall. You're gonna have a bad time.
Just snap it all in place. Make sure this guy, there's like a little slit. Plastic, usually it breaks off. Don't be alarmed if it does. That guy goes over and there's a little channel that it snaps into place with. Aside from that, it's just those 3 screws down there and you're done. And then you pop this back together. So yeah, let me get to that. And I'm gonna show you the back door and then it's gonna be wrap up the video because I don't have very much light left. Okay, this side's a little bit different. If you really care about your plastics, don't do this with a screwdriver. I don't. Jam that out of there. There's one right there and one right here. Those are gonna be your Torx 20s, I believe. Yep, that's what those are. And then just regular Phillips up there. I think I'm just gonna do this with screwdrivers right now. Leave those 2 out here. That guy in there. I think at a later date I will do a switch to T, or not T, to the 6 1/2-inch speakers. But for right now, the ones that I have in here are blown up, so I just want the blown up speakers out. Jammer in the hole. Come on, there we go. And these are the same like golden looking screw as there was in the front, under the front handle. Yeah, you can see that one right there. Oh. Make sure this one's all the way out. I feel like it is. Yep. Yep, right there. Okay, and then all we gotta do check. Let's just jam that out. Oh. We got kind of more or less the same BS as last time. Oh, okay. No, that's the wrong one. That's the right one. I think we're just going to go ahead and take this screw out. If a guy could. If a guy could. There we go. I'm using the wrong screwdriver for this. I gotta get my stubby. Where is me stubby? Come here, Stubbs. Nope. Yep. There it is. This guy. Oh, such a pain in the butt. Okay, after fighting tooth and nail, I finally got that out. There's little plastic dinguses that those lock into right there. Those are a pain in the arse if they don't break on you. So now if this happens, not really that big of a deal. You just pull that back there. Gotta kind of get her in the hole somewhat. Just slip her back on. Ah, there we go. You can see mine is broke right there, but it don't really matter much. It just makes it easier for it to pop off, which is kind of a pain, but okay, next step. We gotta drill. Drill. Yeah, this is, I mean, like really? So, I don't know. Just gotta take that one on the chin, I guess. If they had these specific speakers in town, I would just go and trade them in, but they don't. I got these online, so I should probably take that off first. There we go. Do that 2 times. Yes, I win.